Hey there friends, welcome to another unboxing. So I'm checking out this little thing. So we got 5 titanium reusable toothpicks. It's pretty sweet. So these are pretty handy. It comes with 5 of these little guys and then 5 little keychains also. If I can get one out of there. Come on, little guy. So we have a little keychain as well, and that can just go right on here. Of course, I just cut my nails, so whenever you need your nails, that's the day before you would have cut them. Oh, I got it on there anyways, first try. So there we go, got my little key ring on there, so you can put that on your key ring, but basically this comes off of here. This just unscrews, and then you can screw this portion in here. Just like that. You can keep it in there like that if you want, and then just like this, and has a nice little grip here on there. It's nice, kind of corrugated, or like has some. It's not smooth. It has a little grip on there. You can see it's like kind of got those lines on there, so you can actually screw that on nicely. And it's got the little rings too. So basically now you have this pretty nice little toothpick here. A lot of people use the wooden ones, but wooden ones will get soft, and maybe you get like a sliver or something like that, and then you just get some out of your teeth. So pretty handy. You can see it's long and definitely sharp, so you'd have to be pretty careful with this, but you could use it to a lot of different things. You can stir your coffee, use it as like a hors d'oeuvre thing for getting hors d'oeuvres. Possibly even as a self-defense thing as well. So in a pinch, this could be, kind of a little self-defense weapon. So it's very small, very lightweight. You put it on your keys, your keychain or something, you're not really even gonna notice it, but probably something pretty handy. I get a lot of stuff stuck in my teeth a lot because my teeth are really tight. But something like this is really nice to help with that. If you got some whatever stuck in your teeth, it's nice to be able to get it out, and also good for dental hygiene as well. So pretty cool little device here, and it does come with 5 of them, which is pretty sweet. So thanks so much for watching this unboxing, my friends. Have a great day, and I'll see y'all next time.